Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to open Gboard setting on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. After click on general management, you will see click on keyboard. After click on keyboard, and if you want to open Gboard settings, so click on Gboard settings and turn on Gboard button and click on Gboard, and you will see Gboard setting is here. If you want to open Gboard settings, so you will see language preference, theme, and correction and suggestion, read typing, voice typing, keyboard, dictionary, emoji, sticker, and gifs. You will see after the process. Go back to home screen. So that's how you can open Gboard settings on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.